In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable Windows automatic updates on Windows 10 permanently. First thing you need to do is to open the Start menu, type Run, select Run from the search results, type this, and press Enter. In the Services window, find Windows Update, right-click, select Properties, set it to Disabled, and click Apply and OK. For a permanent disable, press Windows plus R, type this, and press Enter. Navigate to this, then Software. After that, go to Policies, then open Microsoft. Here, click Windows and right-click. Create a new key name, Windows Update. Then create another key named AU under it. Right-click, create a new DWORD value named No Auto Update. Set its value to 1 and press enter. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.